This is a new 2014 Ford Explorer, powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and a six-speed automatic transmission. The features include a turbocharger, push-button start, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, and auxiliary input, remote start. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, fog lights, side airbags, second and third row airbags, independent suspension, traction control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Ruxer Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 123 Place Road, Jasper, Indiana 47546.